Why is it literally the hottest day?
Oh.
Oh no! No! Yeah! What is up, you guys? We're here today in New York City. It is scorching hot and we have an onslaught of amazing skaters here today. Starting with
Chris Perez.
Okay, starting with Chris Perez.
Nigel.
Nigel.
Leon Carson.
Leon Carson. Joey Brezinski.
Not Joey Brezinski. Josh Katz. Tim the Toolman Taylor.
My bolt is loose.
And my bolt is loose. So coincidentally, we see that Joey B is here in New York City and we're like, dude, we can't be in New York City and not have him come out and skate with us. So he's here today to come school us all on Everything Counts Skate New York City edition. It is so hot.
It is.
It is disgustingly hot.
Quite warm.
So real quick, let me go over the rules. Literally anything you can imagine counts. You just have to call it. Anything on any obstacle, anywhere. If you want to like caveman into the water and you landed, it counts.
All right.
So I'm just letting you guys know, literally anything counts. On three.
Three?
On the third
3,
one?
2, 1, we start at 1. 3, 2, 1.
No.
Yeah.
Oh, you
lied.
Okay.
All right.
It'll work.
Wait, this will never work, right?
Should we do?
No, it will work. Trust me, it'll work.
It'll work. There you go.
See?
There you go. Okay, you two are last.
Rochambeau for last.
Dude, I want last.
Oh, okay. 3, 2, 1.
Four,
I don't know what I just did.
Now you're fourth. First?
So one time I switch it out.
Okay, so the order is Chris, Nigel, Uzi, Joey, Josh, and Leon. Okay, I wasn't sure. I forgot the last two.
There.
Okay, let's get it going. Wherever you'd like to go, anywhere.
I say
in the
we
entire
start just
city.
going either inward or that way or
That way,
something.
there's a lot of spots.
Let's go anywhere
Yeah.
in the city we want.
Just yeah.
Yeah.
Straight that way. There's a lot of spots.
Does this thing grind?
Okay, here you go.
All right, I'm gonna try in 5.0 180.
Success.
You
Oh.
gotta go fast.
Give him a letter. Oh. Wow.
But nollie, no stall on this.
Okay.
I tried. Not really.
Oh.
I hate nollie. Can I do a fakie?
I'll let you do it, Fakey.
Really?
Yeah.
Everything counts, right?
Everything counts.
Everything counts. Fakie ollie. Oh my
Oh,
god!
you hit it wrong.
That was
Rebate.
rebate.
Yeah, rebate that.
Fakie switch. There we go.
Oh.
Oh man, nothing counts.
Nollie inward heel. Why is it literally the hottest day I've ever felt in my life?
Oh,
Is that our trick? Yeah, it is.
we gotta survive out here.
Get him in there, baby.
Woo! All right, tail drop from Pride Rock into the bank there.
Okay.
There we go.
Woo! Hold it. Woo! That counts. Oh.
All right, let's see. It's kind of sketchy. Oh my gosh, dude. Really? Woo! Right.
Very nice. Oh.
That's what I'm afraid of, right there.
Okay, we're gonna play skaters
Skaters.
because the letters have been piling on early.
Okay.
But it is now your try.
All right, I'm gonna try and manual this beautiful, not smooth rock.
Okay,
Rough, I guess is the word.
sounds good. All right, Nigel, you next, right?
I'm up.
You're up.
Sick. All right, it's gonna be a pop up and then a pose like, ah! And then you gotta jump off that little thing right there. Oh no!
Go on!
Dang it! That was my little
Third
pause.
is Uzi, correct? Where are you going?
I don't know, but I like it. I guess ollie up to 3. Okay, everyone's just shredding. Okay, I guess an ollie front 180 down that.
Woo! No! All right, Dan, where to? Oh!
Everything counts.
That's good. Woo! Oh yeah!
Alright, should we keep going that way?
Let's get creative, Dan.
Alright,
Ollie through it.
so I'm gonna go like this. I'm gonna hold on to this and it's gonna go. And I'm gonna land.
Well, explain one more time.
I'm gonna like go like, I'll show you. It'll make more sense if I just try. I said it no?
Should we manny these 3 stairs or keep them moving?
You can manage 3.
Let's manny this.
All right.
Made that.
That's what we like to see.
I did not expect to make that one.
Woo! Wow! Damn! Yeah! Holding on to it.
Hold it.
Dan, you gonna go?
I'm gonna take the letter. My knee's feeling alright today, so I don't want to put all that weird weight on it right now.
Look too easy for these guys. Should we do a burrito flip?
I don't even know. What is burrito flip?
It's a burrito flip.
Burrito flip it is.
I don't know which way it's gonna go.
That would have been it. That also would have been it. Another letter. Ah! Dan? Judge?
No, he said no.
Clean sweep.
Finally. All right. Keep it moving.
Yeah. He's a scout. Looking out for the next skate spot.
Trying to. It seems we ran out of things. We're gonna find. I got one. I think I got one. A little fakey manny on this.
All right. Oh no! Dang. Anything counts takes its first victim. Oh, hold it! Ah! Another letter.
I was about to pop onto a crack.
Letter for Dan. Oh, okay. I like where this is going.
All right, gonna bounce it 3 times on your board and then do a kickflip. I don't know if I could bounce it 3 times. Let's see. Ready?
Yeah. Easy. Oh! Almost lost it on the kickflip. Woo! Oh!
Kickflip!
Yeah! Wow!
All right, now. Keep it moving?
Yep.
All right. Here's a trick. Shoot the board at the tire, bounce back, land on the board. Ready? Is that kind of... Is that right? Everything counts?
Whoa!
That's how it's done.
Oh my god. That was good.
I almost like
There we
didn't
go.
even shoot it over there.
There we go.
That was good.
I got another try.
Oh, you're on your last letter?
I guess that's what Dan told me.
There it is.
There you go. Nice.
We're gonna jersey barrier wall ride for these guys.
Oh, okay.
Here we go.
Yeah.
There we go.
Woo! Dang.
Oh! My toe!
There you go. You got it. Last try. No. Has claimed its second victim. Wait, hold on. Wait, if you land at this try, I'll let you stand. Oh! All right, yeah, Uzi's out.
Parking blocks are always good. How about a blunt pivot
Okay.
on this? Let me get the sticks out of the way.
No!
Oh, it's over.
Oh.
Let's head over to those white blocks right over there.
All right, what is up first?
All right, so this is a two-step process. First, you have to wait for a stranger to pass by. It can't be any of our friends or anyone else has already talked to. You have to tell them they look beautiful today. And then you have to do a wally off the white blocks.
I missed the first part.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Excuse me. Hey, you look beautiful today, just so you know.
You guys got it.
You guys are beautiful.
You guys look so beautiful today.
That's okay. There's two of them in there.
That was a dual
Yeah, that's
effort
fine.
right there.
Yeah,
Ready?
you're good.
All right,
The dual fail right
let's
here.
try. I can't wally for crap. You first.
Oh! Okay. Count it.
You look beautiful. Oh yeah.
No! Wait, so you have two tries, so you have to tell one more person. No, so
You're gorgeous. You look beautiful. He heard me. We good.
All right. Well, we've made a lot of people's days already. Just a tail ollie. Oh, wait, I forgot. You have to tell me that I look beautiful.
too late.
You didn't do it, bro.
All right. How about a?
Right?
Wow.
What? So scary.
I have no idea how he did that.
I don't either.
Oh yeah! What?
Over this gap.
Is this the gap?
Yeah, this is the gap.
Off the curb?
Oh, actually, but first, yeah, it's a two-step process again. You have to roll up to it and like do one of those stop and checkouts, like you're horrified, like it's El
Okay.
Toro, and then you have to go do it.
I was gonna do that anyways.
Add a dramatic sound effect. Oh, what's the trick?
Oh my god! All right, this one right here. This one right here.
Yeah!
You can tell he skates gals a lot.
All right, that's an A.
There's a reason you don't see tray flips in my video parts.
All right, this next trick, you gotta ollie over the cone.
Oh,
Not ollie over, but hit it over and have it knock and ride away.
okay.
I was gonna go really slow. It looks like you gotta go really fast.
Yep. Oh. Hey. Oh, thank you, Cloud.
You practice those, don't you?
That is way harder than I thought it was gonna be.
Just a regular backside heel flip.
Oh. T.
Let's do a 180 to switch manual on this.
There it is. Oh,
Oh no.
oh my gosh.
Oh man, this is scary. It looks a lot easier. Yeah, this is a way better idea. And you have to say a prayer to whatever you believe in. If nothing, that's okay too. You just have to, faith. There's faith involved. All right, right here.
Wow. Prayer? All right. Whoa. Oh, he's in the bushes.
I didn't prepare for that second
Count it.
part.
Here we go. Ready?
Anything counts.
Anything counts.
I dropped in, technically.
You never said that.
Do you even pray to anything?
I did. I prayed that I didn't want to stand up on that one.
Loophole. I'm taking off 2 letters so I can come back in.
Why?
Because it's anything counts. I'm back at skate.
No.
Dang it.
Let's keep moving.
See, if I was regular footed, it would have been no problem. Look, I had nowhere to put my foot to set up.
Very
All
cool.
right, I got one for this. We're gonna do a frontside rock on this, like ollie rock, frontside 180 out. But you have to do it with a helmet on your person. You don't have to wear it, but you have to have the helmet like
In your possession?
In your possession.
Josh, you're my person. So.
You can hold me doing it if you want. You feel strong.
Nailed it. Oh! There you go. Oh. His turn has been retired, and it is now Chris McNug. Oh!
Dude, that was scary.
That was what was gonna happen to me if I committed to that. That's that new era stuff. I'm old school.
How do you do that?
I have no clue.
That makes
Well,
no sense. Amazing game though.
I made it all the way this far. I'm excited. Yeah.
That counts. Oh!
Oh my god.
Wow. Oh!
One more.
One try.
Try?
Yep.
All right, this one right here.
Right here. Oh no! So
Good while
close.
it lasted.
Thank you for coming, man. It's always a pleasure.
Pleasure.
That game was absolutely unbelievable. We had one of the weirdest games of skate we've ever had on this channel, and that's actually saying a lot. We've done some crazy stuff. A huge thanks to everyone who participated. It was absolutely amazing. All of their information, YouTube, Instagrams, all that stuff will be right down there in the description, so go and check everyone out. And there's some videos that way. Go ahead and subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you guys should learn how to skateboard. So go to brailleskateboarding.com for all of your skateboarding needs. Skateboarding made simple, lessons, anything you'll ever need is over somewhere that way in the West Coast.